Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel where we are about to embark on a vibrant journey into the enchanting world of Boho Home Decor. In this video, we will take you on a captivating adventure through the art of creating your very own boho chic oasis at home. Embrace Bohemian freedom. Boho Decor is all about celebrating your unique spirit and embracing a carefree, eclectic style. We will show you how to infuse your space with the freedom and creativity that define boho chic. Nature's influences. Dive into the lush world of Bohemian decor, inspired by nature, from hanging plants to earthy textures. We will help you bring the outdoors in and create a haven of relaxation. Colorful expressions. Explore the vibrant color palettes that is a hallmark of boho chic. We will guide you in mixing and matching bold hues to create an explosion of color that feels truly alive. Cozy comfort. Learn how to layer textures, cushions, and hues to achieve the perfect bohemian comfort zone. We will discuss the art of creating a space that invites you to unwind and recharge. Boho accessories. Discover the magical effects of boho accessories like dream catchers and unique trinkets. These pieces add a touch of mysticals and personality to your decor. Dye boho projects. Feeling crafty? We will share some fun dye boho decor projects that you can easily tackle at home. Get ready to infuse your space with your own artistic flair. Join us on this mesmerizing journey as we explore the world of boho home decor and demonstrate how these creative and free spirits and ideas can transform your living space into captivating retreats. Do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel for more inspiring decor ideas.